Welcome in daily newspaper editorial side your program. Now headline: Remedies are not always sweet. Times of India: Green light greening the electricity sector. The Economic Times. Now headline in detail: Remedies are not always sweet. The Times of India. Chetan Bhagat, Delhi poll champion so with politics is now a free for all. Netas or voters are not thinking of the ultimate costs which include higher inflation in India, desired or not merely sweets. Sweets signify emotions, reflective status and hold unique connotation. The suit that has acquired a layered connotation, particularly in politics, is rabdi considered a humble low end item. Rabdi is a hard, small, flat candy made of a mixture of sesame seeds, ghee, and jaggery. Popular in North Indian, rabdi has become famous in political discourse, discourse synonymous with fabric politics, populist measures that have fast become a staple in poll promise. No wonder rabdi is in free all and multi-part manifestos of BJP and pledge of APP and Congress released ahead of the February 5 elec- Delhi Assembly elections. Daily residents love rabdi in winter while there may be no electricity and water bills today and real bills be arrive individually. Till then enjoy rabdis. All this talk make me hungry. Let me order some rabdis online unless someone wants to send them to me for free. Green light greening the electricity sector. The Economic Times. India's path of decarbonization lies through its electricity sector. The country has been increasing its RE capacity from 38.96 GW in 2015 to 203.18 GW in 2024. However, it must not only electricate piece of meet the ambitious target of 450 GW of RE by 2030, but also roll out a modern and smart transmission system. Equally important is addressing structural, regulatory, and thrift-related challenges associated with integrating clean and intermittent energy sources and integrated approach is crucial to ensuring a smooth and equitable green transition. Additionally, changes in market design are necessary. Incorrect the exciting bias towards gold that requires innovative mechanism to restructure legacy PPAs to enable an economic electricity dispatch system, one that respects exciting contest while inhibiting the new cleaner providers. Addressing the economic viability of DISCOM is another critical challenge. Despite numerous rescue packages, DISCOMs remain financially unviable. A fresh out-of-the-box approach is required, integrating distributed RE battery storage, smart meters, and dynamic strip designs to enable substantial new business models. The package must also lay the groundwork for a robust retail electricity market that values clean, efficient, and cost-effective system. Without structural and regulatory intervention, greening the electricity sector will remain a formidable challenge. Geopolitics India's decarbonization goals. Thank you.